If you are not trustworthy, then even if they know that you're looking for this, you're not going to get it. Why? Because trust is very important. The second question is, can you deliver? Will you do the work? Yan ang tanong. O sige nga, tanongin mo yung katabi mo, can you deliver? Ha? Hindi pa tayo lumalabas dito, alam na natin ang sagot. Ilang beses ka pa nag-submit ng late kay Ma'am Julie? Ha? Can you deliver? Now, here's a message of hope that I want to give you. Kung ilang beses ka nang na-late ng pag-submit ng requirements, kung ilang beses mo nang sinabi na you know you cannot deliver, ito, may sasabihin ako sa iyo. May pag-asa ka. Pwede kang magbago. Yan. Pwede bang sabihin mo sa katabi mo, magbago ka naman. Gagraduate ka na, hindi ka pa nagbabago. Matanda ka na. Magbago ka na.